Alright, remote access, you are out of the office. You need that server, you need that file, you need that desktop. Now, there are a bunch of ways to do it, but which one fits your situation? Let us hook this up with a quick compare. First up, VPN. Virtual Private Network creates an encrypted tunnel into your company network. Strong security, full network access, works with almost any app. Cons, more setup and licenses, and if it is too open, it is a wide door. Great for employees who need broad access. RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. If you need a full Windows desktop, RDP is smooth and fast on LAN, decent over VPN. Do not expose it directly to the internet. Pair it with VPN, or a Zero Trust Gateway plus MFA. SSH. Admin's favorite for Linux. For network gear. And automation. Lightweight. Scriptable. Secure keys. Port forwarding if you must. No raw internet exposure without controls. VNC. Cross-platform screen sharing. Simple but less efficient. Weaker defaults often. Rapid in VPN or SSH tunnel. Brokered tools. TeamViewer. AnyDesk. Chrome Remote Desktop. Super fast to set up. Great for support and remote help. You are trusting a third-party relay. Lock it down with MFA and session approvals. ZTNA. Zero Trust Network Access. Only the app you need. Only when you need it. Per app gateways. Identity-aware access. Usually no full network exposure. Modern setup. Great for contractors and BYOD. Jump servers. Bastion hosts. Hardened box you RDP or SSH into. Then pivot to internal resources. Central audit. Fewer exposed edges. Cloud desktops. Windows 365. Amazon workspaces. Entire desktop lives in the cloud. Streamed to you. Scales nicely. Predictable security. Higher cost per seat. Sometimes the best remote access is no remote access. Move to browser-based SaaS and let the vendor handle it. Quick compare. Security. ZTNA leads. Properly scoped VPN also leads. Raw RDP SSH on the internet loses. Latency. SSH is efficient. RDP is efficient. VNC lags. Setup. Brokered tools are easiest. VPN and ZTNA take planning, control, and compliance. ZTNA shines. Bastions also shine. Choose guide. Admins. SSH over VPN or ZTNA. Keys plus MFA. Audit logs. Windows power users. RDP via VPN or ZTNA. Consider a jump box. Quick support. Temporary brokered tool with MFA and approvals. Contractors and BYOD. ZTNA per app access. Highly regulated. ZTNA plus Bastion plus logging. Final tips. Least privilege. MFA everywhere. Never expose management ports. Pick the simplest secure option. That is your remote access playbook.